Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an update. So now we have the drop down from which we can select the base, bull or bear, and this will change the all the calculation accordingly. You can see currently the values, and I'll change it, and you'll see everything got updated. And yep, similarly, I have given these controls, so you can change any of the values in here. Either you can even change the headings as well. So these are the rates for the machines for each interval like beer, bull, or base. And if you will make any changes in it, it will reflect automatically in here as well. So these are the formulas. So if I'll change it to bull, maybe you will see the changes in here. You can see it. Similarly for the depreciation rate, which is 90% here. Okay. Okay, so you can see changes in the depreciation rate as well. So if I'll change it to base, it will turn it to 1.20. Similarly, these are the yellow inputs. Yellow cells are all the input cells, and no other cell need any manual input in here. Similarly, the same I have applied the formula which were here, and I was checking it. I applied the formula right in here where it should be, and it will up to like 40 machines. Right. Similarly for this A100 rate and A4090 rates, these rows were to be meant to be hidden as per your format. Okay, so once it's all done, there is a visual confirmation that the next machine should start from here, and here you can see the numbers are being start adding from here. So how this will work? This is going to take the quantity from here for A1, for example. Let's say for 3090, there are 7 machines in it. So this the number will start from 7, and as soon as the new machine gets in, the number will automatically increase accordingly, and you will see the number added up to 15 for 5 years, I guess. And there is a visual information confirmation which is showing you, yeah. So we have subtracted the cost of whatever the cost in here on this cell, and here we have added the machine. So as per your format. Similarly for this one and this one as well. So no other manual input is required at the bottom, and here is the breakdown of there is a change in the format. So here you can see all the air 1 or air 2, air 3 and 4, and I have added the ROI for separate machines, and here is the total for all of these. So this is the simply sum of all of three. I have kept it red, so if you want to make any changes in it, you can make it. So yep, that's it from my side. I have tested it with some random values as well. Please let me know if you need any further assistance in it. Looking forward for the review. Thank you.